Hi my loves, in this reading we will going to have love reading with message from your person. So let's see kung ano ba ang meron sa connection or sa love life na to. Okay po, so let's cleanse the energy first. Let's see the situation and the energy for this love connection. Past life relationship, pwedeng may kinalaman po sa past. Itong person na ini-inquire mo right now or nasa isip mo right now. Reconciliation. So, pwedeng in separation kayo, my loves, right now. Or meron kayong pinagdadaanan challenges. And dito meron ditong love yourself first. So it's either, my loves, magre-reconcile kayo, meron kayong na-encounter na problema, and it's time for you to move on, to love yourself first, to focus on yourself. So pwede din, my loves, na after ng reconciliation na to, after na tanggapin mo ulit sila sa buhay mo, you need to decide, or you need to focus yourself first. Focus on yourself first. To respect yourself. Kumbaga, meron ka ng boundaries, even nagkabalikan na kayo. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. So, itong taong to, yung nasa isip mo right now, or yung person mo right now, pwedeng kaya siya pa ulit-ulit na bumabalik is because of meron talaga kayo nakaraan, even in your past life. So, you have known each other before. So, you have known each other before. Kumbaga, my loves, pwedeng part din talaga sa'yo. Part din talaga kayong dalawa ng past. Okay? Ng past life. And that's why itong taong to, hindi siya makikipag-reconcile. Whatever, kung ano man yung mga naging problems ninyo, bumabalik at bumabalik itong person na to. Because, kahit hindi niya maintindihan, because of this reading, maiintindihan mo. Because, meron kayong nakaraan talaga. Meron pa kayong kailangan talagang i-fulfill. Okay? So, if ever na hindi mo man nakikita to right now, you are destined for that person. For this kind of relationship, or for you are destined dito sa taong to na nagmula sa yung past na gustong bumalik. Someone from your past wants to return to your life. Or meron, my loves, na parang paulit-ulit bumabalik. Pero dito, my loves, ano lang reconciliation, but self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Ibig sabihin, kahit na paulit-ulit bumabalik itong person na to, kailangan magkaroon ka na ng self-respect. Kasi, mas ma-attract mo yung person na to kung nakikita niya to sa'yo. Okay, let's see energy or the situation in this love connection. Okay, days. So dito, my loves, pwede, my loves, i-consider, my loves, hesitate ka na i-consider to. And pwede, my loves, right now, kung ikaw ay naguguluhan, you need to believe. You need to believe that masosolve din. Meron nga talagang something. Nagkaroon talaga ng gap itong relationship na to. At kung hindi ka, kung wala to, my loves, pwedeng ito talaga yung parang pattern ng love life mo. May taong babalik sa'yo from your past. Kaya, kumbaga, bakit siya patuloy bumabalik? Because you are part of their past life. And meron din dito, my loves, may solution eh. So, believe that kung ano man yung naging problem ninyo, magkakaroon ng solution. Right now kasi, my loves, parang kumbaga, hesitate ka. Hesitate ka sa taong to. Very masasabi natin na parang hindi ka tiwala sa taong ito. Okay. So, reliable. So, good news, trust, paparating talaga to, my loves. My loves, eto pwede din, if you are in doubt with this reading, pwede din, my loves, ito yung confirmation. Good news is coming. Kahit napakalabo. Yung parang kumbaga, parang hindi ko nakikinita sa person ko na babalik siya sa akin. Pero dito, my loves, good news is coming. Just trust, my loves, expectation. Pero yun nga, kung wala pa siya at hindi pa siya bumabalik, I hear na you need to manifest on yourself the self-respect. Kasi yun yung mag-a-attract sa taong to. Okay? So, you become more romantically attractive pag na-manifest mo or na-manifest mo yung self-respect or boundaries sa iyong sarili. Kasi andito mayroong good news na paparating. Okay, may good news na paparating. Let's see more. Oh, the chaser. Fear of abandonment. My loves, pwede din, my loves, eto pwedeng nag-chase ka din, kasi ito dito sa foolish na to, hindi natin masyado itong i-emphasize kanina, pero look how foolish the energy. Yung energy, my loves, very considerate. And dito na nga lumitaw, yung pagiging chaser. Pwede din, my loves, before or may pagkakataon na ikaw yung nag-chase ng communication because of the codependency sa taong to. Or pwede din ang energy mo is codependent or meron kang fear of abandonment sa isang taong attached sa'yo. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. That's why parang yung andun ka sa energy ng doubt na kung saan kailangan mo magtiwala na babalik talaga tong person mo o yung person na nang iwan sa'yo ay babalik sa'yo kasi part siya ng past life mo. And may transformation is coming. Meron dito, my loves, na lumitaw na, but eto reconciliation, let's see kasi my loves dito, di ba nabanggit ko kanina, pwedeng reconciliation pero kumbaga nandun na yung self-respect. Pero nandito ni death. So ibig sabihin reconciliation lang ba talaga siya? What is this good news? Blowing kiss, unconditional love, giving, receiving. I hear, my loves, from the past, meron dito na reconciliation but sabihin natin, hindi ito yung tinutukoy. Hindi ito yung tinutukoy. Dito sa good news na paparating. Look. Kasi may good news na paparating sa'yo, unconditional love yan. And when it comes to past life, sa past love life mo, this relationship is over. So may pagkakataon, my loves, na ang darating sa'yo is affection. Fairness when it comes to love. Pwede din, my loves, na this relationship kasi pwedeng natapos siya and babalik siya for something, alam niyo yung whole new or yung kumbaga bagong-bago. Alam mo yun, bagong energy ng person mo. Pwedeng ganun, my loves, kasi dito grow and transform. Kung ano man yung nakaraan or naging problem niyo, what is dead is dead. Pwede, my loves, dito new chapter na para sa relationship niyong dalawa kasi dumating dito yung affection returned. Ibig sabihin, ito yung laman ng good news nyo. Yung good news na paparating is about fairness and love. So may kinalaman talaga itong good news na to or good news to para sa love life ninyo. Pero dito, my love, so affection returned. Ibig sabihin, may kinalaman nga din talaga dito sa taong papabalik. Okay? So I hear kung ano man yung naging issue, dapat patayin na yung issue because of this death. So dapat dito, my loves, yung relationship na dati is kailangan na talagang mabanish kasi nandito na yung growth and transformation. Ibig sabihin may kailangan magbago or may magbabago when it comes to your relationship and connection with this person. Okay, so gamitin natin ito. And I also hear, my loves, kung sa relationship mo, ikaw lagi nag-chase, pwede, my loves, dito sa bagong chapter is hindi na. Kasi nga, natutunan mo na magkaroon ng self-respect. The Ten of Pentacles, my loves. So, merong wealth dito, security, and I hear the family. Kung may pamilya kayo, pwede pa-prioritize ang family dito. At kung wala naman, my loves, I hear the Ten of Pentacles or wealth. May kinalaman sa yung long-term success itong energy na to, my loves. Ooh. With the World card, personal closure. Okay. So, my loves, you need to... Kasi dito pwede, my loves, nung you are being before a chaser in this connection. But, right, and you are refusing to close out a life cycle. Parang ayaw mo nang may mabago, gusto mo yung dati pa rin. Pero kailangan may mabago. Kailangan magpaka-practical. At huwag madaliin, my loves. Kung ano man ang nangyayari sa relationship na to, kailangan din maging practical when it comes to finances. Baka iyon din ang isang dahilan kung bakit nagkaganito ang inyong relationship. So dito, you need to learn and to complete the cycle. So kung ano man yung current souls lessons mo, you need to complete that. Ibig sabihin, my loves, you need to let go kung ano man yung mga naging wounds mo dito. And you need to become more grounded when it comes to practicality. Kung halimbawa hindi pa ready ang relationship na to or love life mo or yung person na to sa money, my loves, kailangan magpaka-practical ka. Okay? So dito kasi meron, you are refusing to close out a cycle. Kailangan may magbago. Kailangan may magbago. And dito din is may kinalaman sa pera because of the Knight of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles, my loves. So, don't refuse to close out a life cycle. This is personal closure sa'yo, sa iyong sarili din, my loves. Kaya nga nakatapat ito dito sa love yourself, respect yourself, my loves. Yun ang kailangan mong baguhin. Okay, so, isipin mo yung person na to. Isipin mo din, mag-focus ka sa energy ng person na to at ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. I-focus mo ang energy mo sa person na to and let's channel kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. I want a fresh start with you. Reconciliation, napaka-linaw talaga. Someone from your past. Oh, so, my loves, baka ito talaga yon yung someone from the past talaga or siya talaga ay gustong makipag-reconcile. I want a fresh start with you. Ano pa? I worry about us a lot. So, kumbaga, medyo nape-pressure din itong person na to. That's why they are very, pwedeng sabihin natin, slow and steady ang kanyang mga actions. I'm too afraid to talk. That's why medyo mabagal. Mabagal yung energy or mabagal yung pag-action ng person na to, pero they want reconciliation. Ano pa? Message from this person. I hide behind material things, my loves. That's why may lumitaw dito na Pentacles, my loves. Pwede din, my loves, yung pleasure niya, yung stability niya for them is about material things. Pwede din yun, my loves. That's why meron din ditong practicality. Okay, sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Ayan, my loves. That's why they worried about your connection talaga. And so many things remind me of you. So, obviously, my loves, inaalala or naiisip ka talaga ng taong to. That's why they want to come back to you. They still attach with your energy, my loves. Kaya kung hindi pa man kayo magkasama, and ikaw before is chinis mo yung taong to, my loves, ngayon, andito siya bumabalik. Or sabihin natin, nakikipag-connect soul to soul itong person na to sa'yo, pero spirits are telling you, kailangan magkaroon ng pagbabago when it comes to this connection. So, yun doon na yun, pinakauna is, pinakauna is, yung self-respect ninyo mo, love yourself first, kahit na committed ka sa person na to. Yung pagiging reliable, yan ko lang napansin, my loves, dito. Importante din yan kasi dalawa yung lumitaw dito reliable, my loves. So, pwede yun din yung isa sa mga pagbabago na kailangan maging evident sa yung person. Okay. So, message from their higher self. So, ito naman is with unconscious mind to, my love. So, from their higher self, ano yung gusto niya ipaalala at sabihin sa'yo? Time apart. Okay. So, dito sa time apart, the time apart is giving both of us an opportunity to work on ourselves and be the best version. So, dito nga, my loves, diba, kagaya ng sinabi ko dito, may kailangan ka talagang baguhin, may kailangan din siyang baguhin. That's why, this person, with the Knight of Pentacles, slow and steady ang kanyang pagkilos. Hindi siya nagmamadaling bumalik, hindi siya nagmamadaling pabalikin ka sa life niya, because ito yun, alam niya na may kailangan pa talaga kayong i-work out, and itong separation na to is an opportunity to work on yourself. Okay? So, to gain more respect on yourself. So, dito, they are telling you, I need to retreat a bit until I get over what is bothering me. So, dito, very aligned ang reading na to, my loves, because dito pinaliwanag niya na kumbaga, that's why para ang bagal ng reconciliation at pagbalik ng taong to, pero one thing is for sure, gusto niyang bumalik. Kaya mabagal kasi, alam mo yon, yung kailangan niya to. I don't want you to see me like this. Okay, I am protecting you from my dark shadow side. That's why they are hiding from material things. Okay? So, what is your biggest question? So, itatanong kay universe, what is your biggest question? Isipin mong mabuti, what is your biggest question? And let's see the answer for your biggest question. Isipin mo mabuti, what is your biggest question? And this is the answer from spirits. No need to worry. Paulit-ulit na sinabi, my loves, good news are coming, just trust. No need to worry. Spirits are telling you, no need to worry. Okay, so for this love connection, ano ba ang meron talaga sa love connection na to? Pero, yun nga, babalik at babalik kahit napaka-imposible, my loves. Babalik at babalik itong taong to because they are part of your past life. Or ikaw ay part ng kanyang past life. So, life is a series of constant shifting cycles. Dito, lumitaw na din yan kanina because you are refusing to close out a cycle or a life cycle. You need to have a personal closure with yourself, my loves. Tanggapin mo na kailangan mag-unfold ang mga bagay-bagay. So, when we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life. Okay? So, resist to create unnecessary stress or recreate unnecessary stress. So, go with the flow. You will be surprised where it leads. So, my loves, ayun, kahit napakahirap tanggapin kasi nandito may pagka-chaser yung energy and co-dependent, pero dito nga, spirits are telling you na we have to accept the changes and don't resist with that great changes. So mag-start ka muna with your personal closure, gain more respect on yourself, my loves, and romantically, you be more romantically attractive pag na-achieve mo na yan with yourself, okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.